Arabic. Hi everyone, welcome back to Arabic Grammar Lab, lesson number 2. This is Zia Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we are going to discuss about the diacritics in Arabic language. Diacritics are known as Tashkeel. These are the symbols used to indicate short vowels, consonant doubling, and these are not typically represented by any standard Arabic alphabet. These diacritics are essential for correct pronunciation, especially for learners, and are often used in religious texts, poetry, and educational material. I will be discussing only three short vowels, sukoon and shadda, and then afterwards I will be discussing about a little bit about the letter Hamza, the status of Hamza. Let's start. First short vowel is called fatha. The first one on the right side comes on the top of the letter. It is kind of a short R sound, like in cat. The second one in the middle, it is called kasra, a short I sound like in sit. And the third one on the left is called dama, a short U sound like foot. Then comes sukoon, the top right one. Sukoon indicates the absence of a vowel. Sukoon indicates the absence of a vowel. That means a consonant is pronounced without any following vowel. The next one is shadda. This represents the doubling of a consonant. The harf with shadda is repeated or pronounced twice. First time with sukoon and the second time with either of other short vowels or the tanween, what we will be discussing right now. So next we will be discussing about tanween. Tanween, these are additional vowel markings that indicate nunation, a nasal sound at the end of a word. Like if there are two fatha at the top of the word, top of the letter, then it is fatha tanween. It sounds like unsound. Then comes two kasrat at the bottom of the letter. Underneath the letter, this is called kasrat tanween. It sounds like in. Similarly, dhamma tanween sounds like un with two dhamma at the top of the letter. Diacritics help clarify pronunciation, especially in texts where the same word can have multiple meanings depending on how it is pronounced. Diacritics are crucial in the Quran to ensure accurate recitation, and they are essential for beginners learning Arabic. In modern Arabic writing, diacritics are often omitted in everyday texts as native speakers can infer the correct pronunciation from context. However, they remain important in formal, religious, and educational contexts. So please try to remember these diacritic short vowels, spoon, shadda, tanween, and their respective behavior or sounds. Next, we will be discussing about Hamza. What is Hamza in Arabic language? If Hamza is actually a different form of Alif, if Alif has any of the Harakat, for example, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, or it has a Sukoon, then the Alif will be called as Hamza. Otherwise, if Alif is without all these diacritics, then the Alif will be Alif simply. So Alif with any of short vowels or Sukoon, it will be treated as Hamza or called Hamza. And if Alif is without any of these diacritics, then Alif will be Alif. So this is the difference. So therefore, Hamza is not included normally in total alphabetic letters. When these letters with these diacritics are connected with each other, then they form words. Huruf plus harakat is equal to kalama. Words in Arabic are called kalima. Our next topic will be kalima. Words can be of two types, meaningful and meaningless. The meaningful words will be declared as kalama, and that will be our next lecture. Now I will show you how to write these diacritics. Sample. Consider a ba. I will consider ba. If it has on top of it, this is called fatha. If it's on the top, it's called fatha. If it is underneath, then it's called kasra. If it is on the top of letter, then it is called dama. So fatha, kasra, dam. Fatha comes on the top, dama comes on the top of the letter, and the kasra comes at the bottom underneath the letter. Similarly, we have sukoon. Sukoon can be written like this or like this. But to understand it in a better way, we will use like this, the sukoon. And shadda is like this. For example, shadda can be fatha, can be with kasra, can be with dama, can be with tanween. So these diacritics are very essential for learners. Try to learn them, memorize them, recognize them, and practice them. Then comes alif. If there is any harakat, for example, fatha, then it will be equal to Hamza. It will be considered Hamza. If it's kasra, then it is Hamza. If it is dama, then it's also Hamza. And if there is a spoon on alif, then it will be treated as Hamza. Otherwise, alif will be alif. That was it for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.